You're selling your house as is. You think that means you don't have to tell anyone anything. You're wrong. And that misunderstanding could cost you everything after closing. Pennsylvania's Real Estate Seller Disclosure Law, Act 49, requires you to disclose known material defects to every buyer, every single one of them. The words as is in your listing don't change that at all. Here's what as is actually means. You are not agreeing to make repairs. That's it. That's the whole thing. You still have to hand that buyer a completed seller's property disclosure statement before they make an offer. You still have to disclose the leaky basement, the aging roof, the foundation crack you've been ignoring, the HVAC that's been struggling since, I don't know, 2019. If you don't, and the buyer discovers it after closing, you are looking at a lawsuit. In Pennsylvania, a buyer who can prove you knew about a defect and concealed it can come back at you for the cost of repairs, legal fees, and potentially the difference in value between what they paid and what the home was actually worth. As is not a shield. It's a repair waiver. Know the difference before you sign a listing agreement in Bucks County. I'm Josh Wernick, realtor at Keller Williams Real Estate. Questions about selling your home in Bucks County, Montgomery County, the Main Line, or Chestnut Hill area? Call or text me directly at 267-934-5674. Head over to sellrealestatepA.com to connect with me online. And be sure to hit like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I will see you on the next one.